Let us assemble these two orthographic blocks as we are asked that we should assemble the two parts. Though after that we're asked to draw the orthographic views, but that's not what I want to do. I want us to assemble these two parts, put them together as one. Okay, so let's see how this can be done. So what I'm going to do first is that I'm going to produce this, then I'll now bring this and put it inside here. This is where it's entering into this part. Okay, so that's what we are going to. So let's start with the construction of this. What I'm going to do is to produce an isometric block, then I'll bring out the features that we have on this object. So that's what I'm going to do. So total height from here, so this is 20, 36, that's 56 plus 30, that's 86, then plus 20, that is that will give us 106. So that's 106. So let's see how that can be done from here to here. So it's 36, and from here to here is 36. So let's see how that can be done. So first of all, produce an isometric cuboid. Okay, then we bring out this feature that we have here, this particular feature. That's what we are going to bring out particularly. Then for this part, we don't really need to bring out this part because I'll just insert it here. You see how I'm going to do it, and you're going to enjoy this work. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so with so first of all, so make a short horizontal line here, and then so we take a point. So we have a point here, so I'm not going to write anything here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw a line. So draw a line in this direction. Okay, so I'll draw a line in this direction, and I'll turn to this side and also draw a line in this direction. So we have this. At this point, I will draw a vertical line, so going up like this. Okay, so let me extend it a bit. So we also extend it up here. So then I'll take the measurement of 36 millimeters from this point. I will take 36 millimeters from here, 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters. And then so on from here, I will take 36. So from here, I will take 36 millimeters to this side. So this is 36. Then at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay. So we draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line up here. So we have this vertical line from this point. And on this side also, I will produce a vertical line. So here we have this. Okay, so then so the height from here to here is okay, total height, as I said, is 100 mm. So we need to extend this up a bit, and then so this goes up a little bit. So we have this. So let's take the measurement 100 mm. That's total. So this is 100 millimeters. So at this point, I'm going to draw a line from here to touch this line. So we draw to touch this line, and then we turn this way. So we also draw from here to touch this line. Then I'll come to this point at this point here. So I'll draw a line from here in this direction. So turning the set square this way, and then we draw this. Okay, so we have it as an isometric cuboid. Now let's bring out this feature at the top here. So here we have that from here to here is 18, from here to here is 18, from here to here is 20. So let's bring that out. So what we have to do, so we take 20 millimeters down. So this is 20 millimeters. At this point, we have to draw a line. So we draw a line from here to touch this line, and then so we come to this point. So we draw a line. So in here, this, and then at this point, we also draw a line in like this, and then we take a measurement of 18 millimeters. 18 millimeters. So I want to. So 18 millimeters. Okay, so this is 18 millimeters. So this is 18. So okay, at this point, so we draw a vertical line to touch this line like this. Okay, so then I will come here. So we draw a line from here to touch this. Okay, so then at this point I will draw a vertical line from this point down to touch this line like this, and then so connect these 2 points, connect them together like this. Okay, so we bring out that feature at the top, bring it out. Now, so the next thing that we are going to do is that so we need to come down here. So this feature that we have here is what we have produced here. So so what we are to do now is that so we need to come here. So distance from here to here is 20, and from here to here is 36, and that this 36 that we have from here to here is also applies to this from here to here is 36. Okay, so let's take note of that. So I will come and take a measurement of 20 millimeters off from here. This is 20, and I will take 36 from this point. So this is 36 millimeters. So I'm going to draw or a line. So this line that I'm going to draw, I will draw it also, it goes forward. So it goes forward like this. So I will just take it, goes inward like this, and then I take it forward. So coming up here, I will also do the same thing. So drawing a line. So I'll draw a line. So it goes in like this. Okay, we have this now. So so thickness from thickness from the thickness from here to here is 10 millimeters. From here to here is 10. So we need to take that measurement. Okay, so I will come down here to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line. So this vertical line, I will not draw it from the down here. I just come here, so draw the vertical line, and then I will connect this together with this, and I'll connect this with this. So then at this point here, so at this point I'm going to draw a line. So that line is going to be combination of this line and this line. They will be merged together. That's at this point. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do now. So we come to this point. So at this point, so I will draw a line. So I'll draw a line from this point, so it goes like this. So we have this now. So then I will come here, I'll come to this point, and then I will draw the line. So I draw a line forward like this. Okay, so I'm working on putting this in here now. Okay, so now, so already for what we have done here, so this has already been completed. So we are trying to put this in now. So total length from here to here is 80. So it's going to be from this point forward, we take 80 millimeters. So let's do that. So we make it an isometric cuboid first. So then we now bring out the feature. So 80 millimeters, this is 80. So at this point, I'm going to draw a vertical line at this point like this. So we have this vertical line, and then I will transfer it to here. Then at this point, I will draw a vertical line. So here I have this vertical line. Then I will transfer this. I transfer it onto it. So we have this. Okay. So what we are to put here now is this part, and then we bring out this surface and this surface. That's all that we need to do now. So you can see how simple this is. So let's look at the dimensions that we have here. So we have that distance from here down is 15 millimeters. From here to here is 15 millimeters. So what we are doing, and then so now have that along from here to this line on this line. So we have this to be 15 millimeters. So that's what we just have to do. So I will come to this point. Okay, take a measurement of 15 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters here. We have this to be 15. Okay, then I will come here. So take 15 millimeters down. This is 15 millimeters. So I'm going to connect these 2 points together. So I'll make it a thick line at once. So here we make it a thick line like this. All right, so then the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to transfer this point here. I will transfer it here, so making it a thick line at once. Okay, then I will come up here, so transfer this point transfer it here, making it a thick line at once, and then I will connect these 2 points, connect them together like this. So you can see, so we have completed this work, as you can see it here. So this is how simple it is for us to assemble these two blocks. Okay, so we need to make this line thick lines. Okay, all right, so this line from here to this end, so make it a thick line like this, and then this line from here to be a thick line from here to here, and this also from here to this end will be a thick line. Okay, so then this line, so make it a thick line from here down, and this also will be a thick line from here down like this. Okay, so this line. All right, so then we make this line, so make it a thick line from here down. Okay, so we have this and this vertical line, so make it a thick line, and then this also make it a thick line from here to here. So this line, so make it a thick line from here to here. And okay, so this line, so bring it out as a thick line. So this line will also make it a thick line from here to here. Okay, so I also need to make this line a thick line from here to here. Okay, so then all right, so then this line too, so make it a thick line from here to here. So this line, okay, and this line here, then this line, and then so this line. All right, so looking at what we have here, so we also need to make this line a thick line. Okay, so looking at what we have here, we have assembled these two parts. We have assembled these two parts as we have here, these two isometric blocks. We have assembled them, so you can see how simple it is. So to assemble these two parts, okay, so as we have it here, okay, so put them together, and this is what we obtain. Very, very simple. So thank you, and God bless you.